Hello, my name is RJ Andler. I am the General Manager of Quality and Customer Service here at Sumitomo Electric Carbide Manufacturing Incorporated. Located here in New Berlin, Wisconsin, we manufacture new Sumitomo cutting tools including solid carbide drills and SMDT replaceable carbide tip drill heads for hole making solutions, along with PCD round tools for aluminum applications. I'm here today to talk to you about our reconditioning program. This service consists of regrinding and recoating our solid carbide drills, SMD tip drill heads, PCD round tools, as well as special drills and form tools. We also offer regrinding of our competitors' cutting tools. Our reconditioning service consists of 4 key advantages. For our first advantage, our regrinding process follows the same processes and procedures as our new products. The reground tools are ran through the same CNC machines and standardized processes as our brand new tools to ensure the same quality and performance. For our second advantage, we recoat the reground tools with the same proprietary Sumitomo coatings as our new tools produced in-house, including true DLC coating. This ensures reduced lead time versus small fabricators while also providing the same performance as our new products. For our third advantage, we accept any order amount for the reconditioning program. No batch size is too small or too large, as we welcome them all. For large quantities with repeat customers, we also offer a tote program. This is for the customer to transfer tools back and forth safely and without damaging the tools. For our final advantage, if you're not local or close to Wisconsin, you can utilize our $8 flat rate fee with 2-day shipping to ensure quick shipping at a lower cost, further shortening overall lead time. Order forms can be found on our website at sumicarbide.com/reconditioning. Use the link in the description below. We look forward to servicing your needs and providing you with the same high-quality performance you've come to expect using Sumitomo cutting tools. Thank you.